Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the stock market simulator game on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, you can tap on the search button and now just type in stock market simulator game to begin your search. Once you find the stock market simulator game app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the stock market game on your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you can tap on the open button to open up the game right away. Now just select your language and then fill up some basic questionnaires which will assess your current level and prepare a course for you. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the stock market simulator game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.